You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this town or city, small city in France, of course located in the Champagne region of France, in the département of the Marne. The French pronunciation, the way it's pronounced in France, is as Châlons. Châlons, CH in French is pronounced ch, not ch, and the S is silent. Châlons-en-Champagne. Champagne is how we say champagne in French, not champagne. Châlons-en-Champagne. Châlons-en-Champagne, that's your French pronunciation. In English, Châlons-en-Champagne. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.